Hi, everybody. Welcome to DesignMarkz, our new Canva app to import and convert DTP files like Adobe InDesign, Microsoft Publisher, even Affinity files, QuarkXPress, and many more. I should also mention down below we have a link to a quick start guide that is very similar to this video. We'll show you how it works and how easy it is to get started today. All right, let's jump right in. This is our webpage on Markzware.com. And you can read all about it there. However, in reality, it starts in Canva. And in Canva, you're going to want to go to your Apps section. That's down here on the left-hand side and under More, perhaps, or on the left-hand side and choose Apps. There you want to search for DesignMarkz. You'll only see this one. You just choose DesignMarkz. You'll then get more information on the DesignMarkz app up in Canva. You're going to want to use it in a new design. It's a lot easier that way. Just explain to Canva which type of design you want, and voila, your design has started. The first step is to connect DesignMarkz to your so-called MarkzPortal account. MarkzPortal is also from us, Markzware, and is the engine behind DesignMarkz and our other Canva apps. So you just click Connect, and in Connect, you can either log in, or if you don't have an account, you can create one down here. Very simple process. I already have an account, so I'm going to sign right in. Once in, along the sidebar here, you'll see all your conversions will be listed there. And to start a new one, you just choose a file. Choose this InDesign file. We then click Prepare for Conversion. It will upload the file. Of course, depending on internet speeds, it can take a little bit longer or a little bit less. There we see it. We can click on it then. Then we get our conversion options. Yes, it does cost a little bit. We unfortunately cannot be a charity. However, there are very affordable one-off options or subscriptions for those who need to convert more files any given month. So below is a subscription, and you can enable ongoing conversions. It's a monthly subscription for $79 or €. The single conversion is where you get a one-off pricing. And if you click there, you can start the conversion. It'll then warn you you're going to be taken outside to our ordering form. You get warned that when you're done, you'll need to go back to this design in Canva to complete your purchase, and you place the order. One-off conversions start at $10 per file and go up incrementally depending on how big the file is, how many pages it is, etc. If you click on more information, you'll read once again, note if you came in through DesignMarkz or ConvertMarkz or other Canva app, you need to manually navigate back to the Canva design where you started, right? So that's what we're going to do now. We're going to go back to design, and you just have to click on the design again on under your conversions in DesignMarkz. You might get this from time to time. Just ignore it. It should work. Okay. Now we can resize the document to be exactly the same size as the DTP file we're trying to import. In this case, I know it's more or less the same, so I'm going to continue without resizing. There's also a provision in DesignMarkz to match your fonts, which is extremely nice to substitute Canva type fonts for the fonts used in your Adobe InDesign file in this case. So if you click on any given font, you can search for it in Canva, and you can get extra light, bold. It is bold. If you have any questions on which font is best to use in Canva compared to what you have in your Adobe InDesign file, for instance, just ask ChatGPT or the GPT of your choice. It's amazing how well they can match up or substitute a font for you. Just click Continue, import all pages, and voila, off it goes, converting one page after the other into a completely new Canva design. Okay, let's try a new conversion here. We uploaded another InDesign file. We click on it. The fonts have already been mapped. The page size is perfect. Import all pages, and off we go. This is made more indicative of what you want to get into Canva. We have then our new design with the text preserved. We have all of the images extracted that have been placed, so we can move them around as needed. What was once an InDesign file, now live in Canva for reuse. So that's how easy it is to get started with DesignMarkz, a new Canva app from Markzware. If you need more information, the link is below to the full quick start guide. If you'd like to purchase DesignMarkz, you saw how easy it is in-app to do that. And if you have any suggestions or ideas, please let us know on sales@markzware.com. All right, have a great day. David from Markzware, signing out.